Welcome to Super Duper Faster English channel. Are you ready to improve your English speaking skills? Let's get started. Listen and practice. My family members. Hi, I'm Olivia. Today, I want to share with you about a day in my lovely family's life. First, meet my dad. He's often in our garden, looking after colorful flowers. Every flower has a name, and Dad knows them all. He loves teaching me about them. Here is my mom. She's often looking happily while she knits. She's the one who makes sure we have warm sweaters for the cold winter days. Do you know? They met at a music concert a long time ago, and have been together ever since. Then there is my elder brother, Jake. If he's not in school, he's in the garage. He loves fixing things, especially his bicycle. I'm his younger sister, and he's always showing me how to ride safely. We often race each other around the road, laughing as we go. Now, let's not forget my loving grandparents. They have a special spot in the living room, where they love doing crossword puzzles. They have so many memories and stories. They often talk about the days they danced at local festivals. We love looking at their old, happy photos, where they wear bright, colorful clothes. My twin cousins, Luna and Lucy, are always a bundle of joy. They are always playing and laughing. Their parents, my dear uncle and aunt, often share tales of their latest travels. On each visit they surprise us with interesting little gifts from places they have been. Lunchtime is special. We all gather, enjoy Mom's delicious pies, and chat about everything. Sometimes, for a treat, Dad makes a sweet lemonade, which Jake and I absolutely love. As the evening comes and the stars begin to shine, we gather outside. We talk, laugh, and enjoy being together. My family is all about love, fun, and precious moments.
Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Teach. To teach a student. Example. The experienced teacher strives to teach with passion, inspiring students to embrace lifelong learning. Knits. To knit something. Example. Grandma knits cozy blankets for the family during the winter months, showcasing her skill and love for handmade crafts. Fix. To fix something. Example. John enjoys fixing things around the car. Run. She is running. Example. Running is not just a physical activity for me, it's a therapeutic journey that clears my mind and invigorates my soul. Tell. She is telling about story. Example. Sarah couldn't resist telling her friends about the breathtaking sunset she witnessed on the mountaintop. Bicycle. She is riding the bicycle. Example. After years of relying on public transportation, Maria finally purchased a bicycle.
Thank you for joining me in exploring my family members. I hope this lesson has been both informative and enjoyable, enhancing your English skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.